Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix screen goes black randomly on Windows 11 or black screen of death So how to actually fix that? So the first thing that you can check is whether the Windows is responsive or not. So you can try to click on Windows Control Shift plus B. This will restart your graphic drivers and also make a beep sound. Most probably, if the error is due to the graphic drivers, then this may easily be fixed by this method. Also, the next thing that you can try to check is the cables. So sometimes if the cable is loose a bit, or if the cable is not connected correctly, or is not stable, or if it has any issue, it might be causing this issue. So try to plug it correctly, or try to change the cable and see if that fixes your issue. Also, you can try to adjust display projection settings. Sometimes if you have more than one display connected, this may cause the issue. So you can click on here and click on project options. As see from here, click on it, and now you need to select PC screen only, because if you selected other options, it might cause some black screens and errors when you are not using other screens. And the last thing that you can try is to clean inside your CPU cabinet. So if your PC from inside is not clean, sometimes it might cause some issues and errors on your PC and may raise the temperature and will give you other issues. So try to clean it completely, and after that see if the issue is fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.